my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you subscribe. As you can see from the title, we are going to be learning how to wand curl our hair today. So I decided to do this video because I straightened my hair recently, and usually when my hair gets to day 3, day 4 hair, and it's kind of getting a little greasy, getting a little dirty, I like to curl my hair. And I know that sounds kind of funny, but it's really because curls hold longer when your hair is a little greasy or dirty, just because they just hold longer. I really don't, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know why. I really don't know, but it does literally hold, it makes your hair, the curls last longer when your hair is a little dirty. So whenever I want to curl my hair, I just straighten it and then I wait a couple days. And I'm not saying greasy like disgusting or nothing like that. I mean, this is literally just you can see my hair doesn't look dirty or anything. It's just I can feel I have enough my juices are going right now, and I'm gonna have to wash my hair soon. So I think I should curl it just to get the most out of my straightened out hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl it, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I do and how I curl my hair. Before we get into it, I'm just gonna show you guys my wand curler. It is the xoxo. There we go. It is the xoxo wand curler. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I'm going to link it in the description box below. But I did get this from Sephora a while back, years ago, and it still works good as new. I've never had any problems with it. It didn't come with different barrel sizes like other wand curlers are nowadays, but it's fine because I do like this size anyway. This is how I want my hair usually. So yeah, I'm about to plug it up and we're gonna get started. Alright, so it is warming up. It doesn't take too long to warm up. It gets hot pretty fast. It also came with a glove that a lot of wand curlers come with. It was a heat protecting glove, and I lost it. I don't know where it went, but it's fine because I'm a pro at this by now, so I'm going to just burn my fingers off while I do this. But no, I'm going to be fine. I do this all the time with no gloves, so we should be cool. So I'm just letting that heat up. And basically what I do is I work I kind of work sloppy when it comes to wand curls because I don't like the put together look when it comes to curls. Not saying I'm gonna look crazy, but I want it to be a little messy beach wave type of vibe. So I'm going to put half my hair in just a regular bun. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just gonna put it up in a bun, nice scrunchie. And I'm just gonna do this side. Usually I don't even put this part up. I just work with everything down, but just because I'm trying to show you guys, I don't want all my hair to be down so you guys can't see what I'm doing. So it is hot now. When it's getting hot, it blinks, and when it is hot, it just stays red. And the mirror is over there, so I'm gonna be looking over there a lot. So yeah, I'm going to just comb my hair out. Getting all the knots out of your hair so that this is just a smooth and easy process. So I start with the front, yes, I start with the front. So I just take a medium piece this big, I just take this big of a piece. And when I'm doing my front pieces, I curl them away from my face. So I'm just gonna wrap it around the barrel. And my hair is really long, so if you have long hair and you're scared it's not gonna fit the whole barrel, it's gonna go over it, you just have to overlap hair that's already there so that it can fit on the barrel. The heat will go through, and you just hold it there, until you feel like you're ready to let go. Don't hold it on too long now, because then you're gonna be like that girl. Have you ever saw that meme? Or not meme, but it's like this video of this girl. I'll try to find it and insert it here. You see how this looks? It's a perfect little curl, and I know it looks crazy right now, but it's okay because it's gonna look good at the end. Let me get to the end. Sometimes I take smaller pieces, but I'm completely random with it, so do whatever your little heart desires. Okay. And the thing I love about wand curls is that it literally takes 2 seconds. Like, it doesn't take long at all. It's one of those hairstyles that you can rely on because it literally takes 5 seconds. Like, I swear. And even on long hair, like, I swear it doesn't take that long. Guys, I'm so hungry right now. I am postponing dinner to record this video. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button because this is true dedication. Alright, so did 3 little curls so far. And we're just gonna keep moving. Keep on moving. Sometimes I turn the barrel while I'm curling just so I know that all the hair is getting touched, and then I let go quicker than I usually would. So as you can see, get a little curl on here. Looks good, looks good. Okay, so when I've done these few pieces in the front to the point where it gets kind of uncomfortable to reach back and curl, I toss them back and I just bring the rest of the hair to the front, and then I start with the back. I know that this is a weird way to do it, but that's what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, I do it very all over the place because I'm not interested in the curls looking like perfect. Like, I want it to look kind of messy. So this is the one thing as a Virgo that I don't want perfect, because everything else in my life must be perfect. If you're a Virgo, let me know in the comments down below. Virgos all day. But if you're not a Virgo, still tell me what your sign is, because I'm so into zodiacs and like astrology and all of that. I start with the back. And be careful, guys. If you're not good at, not burning yourself, make sure you're wearing a glove and like a long sleeve shirt. Like, don't have too much skin showing, because you're gonna burn yourself. But yeah, because I've burned myself many times, like on my neck area, and it hurts. So you don't want to experience it, trust me. But okay, so now I flip my hair back to the front because I did a couple pieces back there. Now I just flip the hair that I had to the front again, and I'm just going to do the rest of the hair that is left. Okay, guys, so I am done this side of my head. That was so quick, literally. Okay, and this is not the finished result. Before I finish the rest of the side of my head, I just wanted to tell you guys that if you want to use heat protector, that is perfect. Like, you should use heat protector, especially if you care about your natural hair, like your hair in its natural state, whether it's curly, straight, whatever. just make sure that you're not burning your hair. Like, make sure that you've treated it well. Make sure that you have like some type of pre-treatment, heat protector, whatever it may be. I would definitely use heat protector, so do not forget to use heat protector. Anyways, let me do the rest of my head and then I will come back to the finished product. So I have curled every piece of my hair. And I do like how perfect and stuff it looks right now. It actually looks, I think this looks like the best I've ever done, actually. Like, is that just on camera? I don't know, guys. This looks really good right now. Wow. Okay, I haven't curled my hair in so long, that's for one. So this is how it looks right now, and usually when I'm done, there are always some flyaways that I just stick down with the hot iron. Like, don't like hold it there, just tap and rub it down and your flyaway should be fine. But I just want to mess it up a little bit just because I told you guys I like my curls messy, so I'm just combing them out a little bit. And what I do is I just put all of my hair and I flip it, and I just scrunch it and just like toss it around like however much you want. You know, just try to get that tossed look, but that's only if you like the tossed look. Like, I like it to feel tossed and like messy a little bit, so that's what I'm doing. And until I get it to my desired preference, I just play with it. But I think this is pretty good. It's gonna fall throughout the night, so it'll be fine. If you do this at night for like the morning, like, it'll be fine. Also, when I get it down to my desired look, like so, I think this is like messy enough for me. It looks messier in person. I feel like this camera just makes it look perfect. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn this off. Don't need this anymore. And next, I'm going to just spray my hair with some hairspray. Not too much because you don't want your curls to be crispy. So just like, you know, just a little, and just scrunch it while you put it in, and like comb your fingers through it so that the hairspray doesn't get stuck in one spot. And then do that to the other side as well. And my hairspray is the Martino Flexible Hold Hairspray. It looks like this, and it has 10 ounces of it, and 10 ounces in here. It's a lot in here. This is my mom's, actually, and this does have alcohol in it, so I wouldn't say it's like the best hairspray or anything like that. It's just my mom's, and I just took it for to curl my hair. But I need to get my own, and once I do, I'm going to be looking for ones that do not have alcohol in it, just because it's not good for your hair. But hairsprays tend to have alcohol just because I think that like helps with like the hold or whatever. I'm not sure, but so definitely put hairspray in your hair. Healthier hairspray, of course, but try to put a hairspray in your hair after so that it holds the curls the way you want it. I'm not really done playing with it. Like, sometimes I toss it to the side just to see like what we're working with, like if I like it to the side or not. But I think I'm gonna do it in the middle for now. I just like my roots to look lifted. Like, I don't want them to look flat. So I like to do a lot of this just to like get it to like boom. It looks really good. And also I love that when you put it up at night. So what I do at nighttime to like, it's so easy to maintain this hairstyle, which is why I like it. At night I literally just put my hair in a pony like this, and then I literally twist it into a bun like so. It twists right into it too because it's curled. And then you just get your hair tie and tie it up like that and go to sleep. I promise you, when you wake up in the morning, literally, your curls are gonna be held still. Like, it's almost like a one big pin curl. It's like the bun just holds the curls. You let it down and it boom. Perfect. But no, really, so you let that shit down and it looks bomb. Like, you don't even have to do nothing to it. So that's what I like about it. And like with straight hair, you still have to like touch it up in the morning sometimes because it looks rough. But with this, toss that shit up, girlfriend. Wrap it in a bun, go to sleep. When you take it down, I promise you it's gonna be curled still. So that's what I like about this hairstyle. It's really low maintenance and it lasts a couple days. Also looks super duper cute in a pony. Like, what? But yeah, so I think that brings this video to an end. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions on how I do my hair or what styles I do on my hair, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer those questions for you guys. Maybe even do some more videos on hairstyles, whatever you guys want to see. And also, if you are new here, I hope that you have subscribed. You made it this far into the video, so you might as well hit that button. I've even made it easier for you guys now to click that logo on the right side of the computer. It might be on the right side. I think it's this side. Or if it's not this side, whatever. Click that thing and subscribe because we want you to join the family. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!